in here is also manufactured.
When I was launching that vision, I faced a lot of challenges from the opposition. They said, Arimba, they don't have money. What I can promise is that we are going to give you more money.
Surprising that Makerere University is ranked highly by the Time Higher Education as the third in Africa based on its contribution to teaching, research, knowledge transfer, and international outlook.
That's what he told me. The man who is now vice president of China, that time he was heading like their party. I think he's like an engineer. So we are back where we started off from. Of course, there is the issue of the biogas. Biogas is not a new concept. This is our traditional form of energy. We would dry the cow dung. You cake it and dry it, and it provides the fire. They are called Msheshi. So really, I'm very happy. This is clean energy, very clean. It's not like this.
So Makerere University ina 5% shareholding Mukira Motors. Yeah.
Kakati chisubira kugenda banga. Tukomye kwelo batusubira okulabanga.
Kati ekinadda ko nga bakugambye tino bili abiri oba bino ku tusubira okulabanga bus ndazija ku market. Naye kati tunonya baki banakola bus eyo. Tubaita commercialization kati tuli kwegamba.
Kakati ate industries employed bus etinga kuzisubira.
Era zonna za Kayoola Motors yagenda zikola kwegamba. Kayoola Motors kwegamba government ngamba company eyo Makerere University mu shares 5%. 95% sife.